Did you get that ball? What a big boy. What a big boy. You gonna go get the other one?
Go get it, Judah man. Go on.
I guess he's happy with just that one. Uh-oh. I'm gonna drop it and roll it. Uh-oh.
Wow.
You spinning that good, mister.
Wow.
You gonna go get your other ball?
Come on, go get it, Judah man.
Oh, boy.
Oh, he's pushing it.
Yeah. Oh. Is that fun?
Oh. Has he ever done that before?
Yeah. Not as he doesn't think it's as fun as the back, I guess, though.
It is so neat.
He's such a big boy. Whoa, it rolled over! Holy moly! Hey! Whoa!